So I often harvest from this 3 by 3 by 6 foot or 6 inch strawberry bed about once a week, right? And here's one small tip in case you guys didn't already know to get bigger strawberries. Now, I would suggest plucking off these flowers. Now, this is something that didn't already originate with me, so don't try to give me any credit for it, but as much as you may feel bad for plucking off the flowers, you do get bigger results. What I used to do was just keep all the flowers, and then most of them would turn out to be yay small compared to that. That's a huge difference to me. And yes, you might get more of these, but nutrition wise, and I guess for just being a delectable snack, having a lot of these isn't quite the same as having a few big of these. And this entire bed will yield me about one good solo red cup of strawberries every week. So after harvesting all of that, this is what I get. Nice solid cup. I still got some stems on it, but solid cup of fruit. This is exactly how I would do it. So I'm looking at all this. Now it is, what is it, July 30th. So maybe about a good month or so left of harvesting any fruit off of this. This is ever bearing. I think it might go until September. I don't recall though. Starting with something like this, I see this one already has a flower and these are already starting to bud, but that's 4. It's literally 4 on one plant. So I'm gonna take off these 2 small ones and leave that as is. This one, I got this small flower right here. I got that small flower, that can go. This can go. I'm gonna keep that. And it's just kind of random, you know. What I don't want is too many flowers on one stem. Therefore, the plant is thinning itself out as far as supplying nutrients to the actual fruit. And I just do that for the entire bed.